So let's talk about pressures and flow issues that you may experience at your house. So some of the questions that customers asked us is, can you have flow without pressure? No. Pressure is the energy behind the flow of water. Can you have pressure without flow? Yes and no. I'm going to give you some examples. You can have the same pressure in this little tube as you can this large tube. You can have 65 pounds pressure in this little tube. You can also have 65 pounds pressure in this large tube. Which one's going to give you more flow? Probably the larger tube, by far. Most customers have 3/4 inch copper service lines coming in their home, which is great. What happens after the meter? A lot of customers have 1/2 inch line that goes the whole way to the back of their house, and when they want to run a sprinkler out the front and a sprinkler out the back, sometimes they have flow restrictions. We also have here at the meter, with flow issues, we have what's called a pressure reducing valve. We have a meter, we have a check valve, and we have a valve. Pressure reducing valves, in this case, this is a standard pressure reducing valve in residential setup. And as you can see, there's a little tag on the front. And in this particular one, this is a range from 25 to 75 pounds pressure. There are other pressure reducing valves in the system or that you can purchase. This one in particular goes from 75 pounds to 125. Just be careful when you are installing some of these pressure reducing valves that you don't have a lot of plastic in your house, that you're afraid that some of the pipe might blow up or break apart. Some of the other issues that customers may have is if you have a pressure reducing valve in line and you only have 45 or 50 pounds pressure coming in the house, keep in mind that these ranges from these pressure reducing valves are 25 to 75 pounds. So if you have 40 pounds coming in the house, do you really need a pressure reducing valve? Probably not. So check with your plumber, and he can come to your house and do an analysis, or call one of our representatives of the water company and they can come check your pressure to see if you actually need a pressure reducing valve. Pressure reducing valves also are faulty. Inside the pressure reducing valve there's a diaphragm. So these are maintenance issues, and sometimes they do go bad. So check with your plumber. Again, you can call a representative of the York Water Company. We can come take a look at it, see if it is faulty, and you'll have to get a hold of your plumber and have him either replace it or rebuild it. We also have a check valve that's owned by York Water Company. Sometimes these are faulty, and sometimes, if these are faulty, we will replace these at no charge. The company is responsible for the meter and also the check valve. Customer is responsible for the valve and the PRV.